Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Senda Kumalasari, and in this occasion we will learn about what is the method of subtitle translation and what is the strategies of subtitle translation. Okay, for more details, let's move on to the video.
Okay, the first one I will explain about method of subtitle translation. In audiovisual translation, the most widely used types of translation are subtitling and dubbing. Subtitling is known as a translation model that puts more emphasis on the foreignization method, while the domestication method is widely applied to dubbing. Domestication and foreignization are two basic strategies that provide linguistic and cultural guidance in translation. Okay, according to the Venuti 1995, the domestication method is an ethnocentric reduction of the foreign text to target language cultural values. Bringing the author back home, which is a strategy to translate a text by adapting all cultural values contained in the source text into values. In general, this strategy is applied to minimize foreign nuances in the target language text. In the second one is foreignization method. What is the foreignization method? This is a method is an ethno-defiant pressure on those values to register the linguistic and cultural difference of the foreign text, sending the reader abroad. In contrast, the domestication method. This foreignization method seeks to maintain the authenticity of the source text culture. The reader is brought into the foreign culture that is contained in the source text. The purpose of applying this method is to restrain the ethnocentric violence of translation, to protect against deviations from cultural translation. So, in this foreignization method, the reader can still see traces of the source text, because some foreign traces are still preserved. Paramartha said that there are 4 things that affect the translation of subtitles. Namely, the first one is verbal auditory channel or VEC, which includes dialogue and background sound. It can be the sound of song lyrics and music. The second one is non-verbal auditory channel or NEC, including natural sounds, sound effect, and music. Next is number 3, verbal visual channel or VVC is a combination of subtitles with scripts that appear on the screen such as letters, posters, books, newspapers, graffiti, or advertisements. And the last is number 4, non-verbal visual channel or NVC, which consists of images, camera positions, movements, and settings that control the plot of the film. These things are the reason for the need for a special strategy in translating subtitles that is different from translating in general. Gottlieb says that there are 10 strategies for translating the subtitles of a film. There are expansion, paraphrase, transfer, imitation, transcription, dislocation, condensation, decimation, deletion, and resignation. We will learn it one by one. From the first one is expansion. This strategy is used when the original text requires explanation because there are cultural nuances that have no equivalent in the target language. The second one is paraphrase, used when the source language phraseology cannot translate it with the same sentence pattern in the target language. Number 3 is transfer, is a strategy for translating the source text completely, precisely, and accurately. Number 4 is imitation, maintains the form of the source text, usually the name of the person and place. Number 5 is transcription, is used when a term is found that is no prevalent even in the source language itself. For example, the use of a third language or language which has no meaning. Number 6 is dislocation, a strategy to overcome problem if the source language using certain special effects. For example, a strange song in a cartoon. In this case, the translation of the effect is more important than the translation of the content. Number 7 is condensation. It's a translation in a short text, maybe without taking away the meaning. Number 8 is decimation, which is an extreme form of condensation, maybe get to the air of rhythm. This is done for reason of time, so the elements have potential to be lost. Number 9 is deletion. It's a total disappearance of some of the source text. And the last is number 10, designation, is a strategy where the source text cannot be translated into the target language.
Thanks for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.